Hello students, today we are going to do exercise 4.6, all the 4 questions, class 6 mathematics, chapter 4 basic geometrical ideas. So let's start with question number 1. From the figure, identify the center of the circle. So in the last video you have seen about circle and its parts. So let's see what is center. The fixed point is called the center of the circle. So what is the fixed point here? O. So O is the center. Next, this point O, 3 radii. 3 radius we have to write. So there are so many radius are there. So let's write 3 radius. OA, one of them is OA. Then second one, OB. And the third one, OC. So there are 3 radius in it and we have written all the 3, OA, OB, OC. Third one is a diameter. Diameter is a line joining the 2 points and center of the circle. So line joining the center to 2 points on a circle. So what is diameter? AOC, or we can write as AC also. So diameter is AC, or we can write AOC also. Anything we can write. Next one, a chord. You know about chord? A chord is a line segment joining any 2 points. तो कोई भी 2 पॉइंट को जो ज्वाइन करती है वो कोड कहलाती है. तो डायमीटर इज द लॉन्गेस्ट कोड ऑफ द सर्कल. डायमीटर सबसे लॉन्गेस्ट कोड होती है सर्कल की. मगर हमें सिर्फ अभी कोड बताना है, तो एसी भी कोड है, डायमीटर भी कोड ही है, बट विल राइट ओनली कोड. डायमीटर की जगह हम सिर्फ कोड लिखेंगे जो सेंटर से नहीं जाती हो. तो कौन सी है वो? ईडी. There is only one, and which it is ED. So this ED is the chord of the circle. Also diameter is a chord. 2 points in the interior. 2 points लिखने हैं इंटीरियर में, जो अंदर है, इनसाइड सर्कल के अंदर है. दो 2 points are P and O. This 2 points, O भी अंदर ही है, सेंटर है, सर्कल के अंदर है, और P point भी है. So which 2 points are there? O and second one is P. Next comes a point in the exterior. So which point here is in the exterior? Q. So we'll write Q is the point in the exterior जो बाहर है. Next one, a sector. So you know about sector? So what is sector? A sector is the region or area which is bounded by, जो 2 रेडियस और आर्क से मिलके बना हो, ये रीजन क्या कहलाता है आपका? Sector. So this is sector. So let's write sector. Sector is AOB. AOB. Next comes segment. So you know about segment. A segment is a line joining 2 chords and an arc. So this is this portion, this one, upper one. ये जो ऊपर वाला है ये क्या कहला रहा है? Segment. And it is minor segment. और नीचे वाला क्या है? मेजर सेगमेंट. सो सेगमेंट इज ईडी. ईडी इज द सेगमेंट. वी कैन राइट लाइक दिस आल्सो, बट इट शोज आर्क. सो यू हैव टू राइट लाइक दिस सेगमेंट. You have to write the word segment, and ED you can write like this. Now comes the second question. So let's see the second question. Is every diameter of a circle also a chord? Yes, every diameter of a circle chord. हम बताए diameter is the longest chord. Diameter कैसा है? Longest chord है. तो is every diameter also a chord? Yes. First answer, yes. Every diameter of a circle is a chord, since we know that diameter is the longest chord of the circle. Diameter is the longest chord of the circle. Next, second part, is every chord of a circle also a diameter? No. See, one diagram we can make here. Simple rough circle I am making to show you the difference. So simple rough diagram. This is center. This is diameter, you know, and this is chord. This is chord. This one is diameter. Diameter always passes through the center. Now, is every chord? So there are so many chords. So is every chord diameter? No, because a chord, it's not necessary that it passes through the center of the circle. So this chord, ये जो chord है ये center से नहीं जा रहा है. So every chord, इससे बहुत सारे chord होंगे. This is one more chord I am making. This one is also a chord. So there are so many chords which not passes through the center. So are they diameter? No. So we'll write no. Every chord of a circle is not a diameter. Now we'll see question number 3. Draw any circle, question 3, and mark its center, radius, diameter, sector, segment, interior point, exterior point, arc. So let's start making one circle. First of all, choose a fixed point O. Now we are going to make one circle inside it. ले convenient arc radius ऐसी arc लो जो यहाँ पर आ जाए. So this circle ours completed. Now first of all we have to write radius. So let's mark a radius. A radius means only one radius we have to mark. So let's mark this as radius OA. So write also OA. Radius is OA. Diameter. Diameter is a line joining 2 points and passes through the center. So this is a diameter. Name it BC. Mark. So diameter is BOC. We can write diameter. Next one, sector. What is sector? A sector is a area joining two radii, two radius and arc. So this portion is this one. This is two radius. ये दो radius हो गई OC और OA, and this area is sector. This is sector. So what is sector? AOC. Next comes a segment. What is segment? We know segment. A line is it's an area joining two chord. A chord and an arc. एक chord और arc से जो region बन रहा है, that is called segment. So this is segment. This is segment. And we can name it A, B, C, D and E. So segment is segment. We'll write segment DE. A point in the interior. So one of the point is O. Let's make one more point F. See, one point हम ले लेते हैं अंदर and this point is F. A point in the exterior. So एक point बाहर ले लेते हैं CG. ये point हमने बाहर ले लिया. So G. Now one arc. So one arc. See, there are so many arcs we have drawn. AB एक arc है. AC भी arc है. DE भी एक arc है. So any arc we write. So AB only will write AB. और ये arc. और यहाँ लिख देते हैं arc AB. और segment बताना है तो segment D लिखते हैं. और arc बताना है तो यहाँ arc लिख दीजिए. Arc AB. So this completes. Now let's turn to last question. Say true or false. Now two diameters of a circle will necessarily intersect. So two diameters, तो बना लेते एक circle. So see, two diameters. So this is the circle I have made. Now let's make two diameters बना लेते. This is one diameter. Now let's make another one. एक और बना लेते हैं diameter. So two diameters will intersect, necessarily intersect. Yes, they are intersecting here at the center O. Always they intersect at O. So what is the answer? True. Second, the center of a circle is always in interior. Yes, center हमेशा कहाँ होगा? अंदर ही होगा, interior में. So this is the center which lies in the interior of the circle. So this is also true. So this completes our exercise as well as this chapter also. Hope you understood. Thank you so much for watching the video, children.